Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your daily energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So first, for your daily energies, Gemini, these are the cards here, guys. For your relationship and career situation, I'll be picking more cards. So those cards will specifically answer your questions you have in your relationship and career situation, Gemini. So these are for your relationship, guys, and 3 more cards for your career situation. So these are for your career situation, guys, and 1 more card. So I will start with your daily energy first, Gemini. So let us see what are the cards for your daily energy. The Sun, Postulant of Stars, and 9 of Stars in reverse. So with these cards, Gemini, in your situation, these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So I see that today you have some kind of curiosity in your situation. You just want to know how things will go, maybe in future, and maybe with some kind of information from people. You are simply rushing towards something, taking up a new path or new choice in your career or personal life. So it may not be a true information, a honest information. So you have to be really careful, guys. You have to have that you're going for that impulsive actions today, and what that you need to see for yourself today is the truth behind that information. So you are rushing, so you have to be really careful today, Gemini. That is what I see. And maybe you are afraid of something. Maybe these actions may give you fear, these impulsive actions, because they are not based on truth. Your choices or your decisions, whatever you have made for yourself, it is not based on truth. It may be based on some information, some wrong information, or maybe some gossip, a third hand information maybe. So you have to have that clarity, guys. So that is what is needed today, clarity in your judgment, making those decisions. And I also see that whatever the case may be, something is coming and helping you out today. It may be your destiny or karma or people who have love and concern on you. So they are coming towards you, helping you today. And maybe your own cheerfulness, that optimism, confidence and strength may be the reason that this situation is going as it needs to go. So there are some stressful situations, troubles, but still you have that confidence, strength and determination to make things proceed in a very positive way today, Gemini. So that is also what I see, guys, with these cards for your daily energies, Gemini. So let us see what are the cards for your relationship. We will open the relationship cards first, Gemini. Hangman. I hope you can see the cards here. It's 7 of Spheres in reverse and the Hermit. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Gemini, in your relationship, you are trying to adapt in your situation, maybe trying to find that understanding. You are working towards that better understanding with this person. You have faced lots of trials and you have sacrificed a lot And today you are what to say, getting that understanding, having that acceptance. So certain things you are trying to change, but no matter what you do, your situation sometimes it may not improve, guys. So you are simply having that acceptance in your heart for your situation as how it what you need to see it as, guys. So you have that serenity because of that peace of mind, because you have done everything possible in your limit to make this connection work. So you have worked honestly, and you have worked for the truth in your heart for this connection. Maybe you love this person, and for that love you have tried your best. So if this is not working for you, you are having that acceptance. So acceptance is what is bringing that peace of mind, but not that change in that other person, guys. So, and also maybe for some of you, you may move forward, you may give up this relationship and move forward with that peace of mind, guys, that you are unable to do anything for this connection or for this person. But for some of you, things will reverse, guys. You may get a second chance with this person. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your relationship, Gemini. So let us see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. So with these cards for your career situation, the first card is Cardinal of Stars. Second card is Seven of Moons. Cardinal of Stars in reverse, guys, Seven of Moons, and Three of Spheres in reverse. So with these cards for your career situation, guys. So with these cards for your career situation, Gemini, I see that maybe in this situation today, you are being quite lethargic, lazy, not able to do what you need to do today. It may be because of some weakness or your stress or some kind of anxiety, and also maybe because of your attitude, guys, your extravagant attitude. So you don't want to get down and work, and you want others to make that efforts for you. So again, that may work against you, and you are having certain illusions about your situation, and you believe that things are going in a positive way towards success, and you are simply lost in your dreams and plans. But you have to be really careful today, guys, not to become too much raptured in your own dreams, so forgetting the reality, your life journey. So you have to see your present situation, Gemini, if you want success. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Gemini, and that is a reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.